Carlito. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself.
I am Carlito Guzman, 41 years old, married. I have one children, namely Dubian Bricks Leron Guzman. He is 10 years old. My working experience started 1992, I think. I work as a housemaid. My boss is also my friend, so that's why he's the whatever he asks me to do, I just do it. And he is also a businessman. He owns a furniture. That's why I also learned about carpentry and painting also. After working with him, I decided to study. It's only a 2 year course, computer system design and programming. And then after I graduated, I applied for a job here in Parañaque at San Miguel Rengo Packaging Corporation as a production helper. And after that, I just stay home, and then in year 2010, I applied again for another job. And at first, I am just a production helper. After 4 months, I'd been a probationary, and then I'd been a regular employee for the 5th month. And now I am promoted, and then I am promoted as a safety coordinator. My work now is in Nestle Lipo Factory. I am working in the food company. A food company that is also care about the people, the safety of the people. They always set aside the output to the, in case of, they always set aside the output for the safety of the people. That's all.
Okay, see you in Hong Kong.
Yes.
Goodbye.